Sanibona bafethu. Bafethu to be honest nginama mixed emotions when it comes to the game lena. Like first things first Peterson mfana, you cannot do us like this. Like you are actually proving Madala right. Wasibuza kahle. Angazi sekukwalephi. Bra, you can, like every day if we get the results which ilawe singawafuni, Peterson is involved. Ikeme Golden Arrows, he was involved. Ikeme Sundowns, he was involved. Ikeme Namuhl, he is involved. Then the second goal, can I criticize Miguel Kwinika bafethu kudlala cross? Who are you marking that? Ni two ni meso nipegeni. Like Miguel is even looking at Kwinika. Who are you covering? Nimboni Luchizi, I don't know if we hit the Uches number 15 or Uches number 5. But Uches number 15 was actually alone. You can see if that ball jelly trope vele to Uches number 15, still it was a goal. Secondly, you play, okay, we concede ne back pass. You repeat playing a back pass in wrong spaces. Why do you play a back pass in wrong spaces? Now, Peterson melasha ibola be corner kick. I don't know if the corner kick is considering now, but I don't think so. Then going forward, for today, can I just be honest? In the front line Zobazwela, there's still room for improvement. The reason why it's in Zobazwela is because I saw what they wanted to do, but it was the wrong time to do whatever they were doing. You cannot be sharing Ebola in harsh conditions or in unfavorable conditions. Conditions that's why we saw missed passes, Ebola in the middle of the path, because chance could not see Uguti. Actually, we need to play those crosses, play Ebola Pezul, so that this will figure with destination. You see? Like, after handling vandaag, they were combining floppy la. Second half, back to normal. No sense of agency. First half, you were coming alright. It just be Yakora, you fight, you get your goal. After getting the goal, you fight, you get a free kick. Yaban. So, Bafethu, for today, I will criticize the back line more than the attackers. The attackers, they did whatever they needed to do, but it was the wrong time to do whatever they were doing.
It's angas, bro. There's just sidlale kahle, abafana badlale kahle, ibhola elihle. We dominated the game. Like at some point, every time, there's always something. There's always just kunento nje phethu. Vele kube nento evele angazi. Vele kube nesigameko every game nje kube nesigameko. Kuvele kube something that doesn't make sense evele yenzeke egaming, bro. That game kumele siwine clean, but we're just unlucky, bro. We're like angifuna ukuthi iparte because iparte dog iparte, bro. Like there's just a bad luck somewhere, bro. Bad luck. Bad. Angazi kanjani, but sidlale kahle, we did nothing wrong, dominated the game, bakora magolo 2, ebengamele, I believe bengamele wakore, but because kunekati limnyama, that is just there to just cause chaos for us, dog. Engenastingo, bro. There's nothing wrong with the team, bro. Anginankinga nalutho ngeteam yami. Ngihappy, ngisho ngiyibukile namhlanje. I was happy ngebhola esilidlalile. But and lamaphutha phethu ama-team capitalizer, they just score. But it's fine, bro. Let's keep our heads up. It's okay. League Velelena, we got 1 point. I'm even happy that we even got that point because, hey, bruh, who knows? But it's fine, bro. Yeah, Machita Ndlale kahle. Shout out to you, Khosi Nation, my players in Ndlovu. Well done, bro. And the rest of the team, my boy Ndlale kahle. Nonke, bro. Nonke, bro. We bola likona. We there. We are there. No, sikhona, dog. But there's just that thing. That angazi biswa ngani kune. But it's fine, bro. So we'll be back. It's opela, that thing. It's opel. We'll be back in the game. Shout out to you, Khosi Nation. Let's carry on. Spushe, Bafani, League, Lena. Each point counts. This is a league. It's a journey. It's a marathon. It's not 100-meter sprint. Yeah, but it's a marathon. This point will make sense one day. Yeah, let's keep our heads up. Thank you, Khosi.
Yabona iKaizer Chiefs lana icishe yakubona ekwabona uSaul. Kusale kancane kuthi bakubone ekwabona uSaul, but fortunately the boys were able to salvage a point against Richards Bay. We will take it. iKaizer Chiefs was the better side kule game le. Lama goals lawa Richards Bay ewakorile bekuyizipho. iChiefs ithe minani izipho zenu siyanipha, and they capitalized. I mean, if you check the second goal they scored, better marking laphana bayalivimba lela goal lila. It's unfortunate that they couldn't, but the first goal, I just couldn't be bola kancane. Yabona, the easiest thing for me to do would be to say uPeterson akekho mnandi. I don't think that's the case. It was a genuine mistake. But if that's how you feel, that's also fine. But if you look deeper into this situation, lento yokudlala ngama players are right-footed with defense yonke, very problematic, this thing. Yabona, if all left, udlala kwa left, it's easy for you to build up because you open your body up away from the pitch. Initiative build up because that's your strong foot. You have to open your body away from the pitch. But if all right, udlala kwa left, when you are being pressed, your instincts is to use your strong foot. And when you use your strong foot, you have to come inside because your right foot is the stronger side. Of which is a mistake that was made by Moloisa. Is it Moloisa? When he was being pressed, because all right, the instinct is to go back to his strong foot and play a pass inside the pitch, whereby Ulo Peterson is, and that was the cause of a goal because Peterson couldn't control. Chiefs needs to get a left-footed player to play the left center back or the left back position, so that the build-up phase can be smooth. Maba under pressure kwa left, bayazi ukuthi they can just shift the body movement, open their body up away from the pitch. Bal keep ibhola with their strong left foot. So it's the small things, man. But as Kakhulu will take the point. Great performance by Ulo Ndlovu. I think he did well. Mabuye, great performance again. I think Abrams, when he came on in the second half, he really showed good signs. I'm impressed. On to the next one. The best thing is we did not lose.
Richards Bay hates us. They hate us. Whenever we go visit them, tough encounter. This thing was just midfield battle as well in this game. Tough encounter. And you saw Richards Bay, they know time for football. Route 1, tutum-tum. Flicker, tutum-tum, flicker. And this was my biggest worry. I remember when De Cruz was announced, and I went to watch the videos of all the other teams he's coached. Teams built up from the back with De Cruz. And the goalkeepers meant to take pressure and be calm under pressure. And that was my worry, is that could we do it now? We've got our answer. We cannot play the ball under pressure, as you see. So first goalkeeper error. Luckily, we came back straight away. Quick 1-2, quick one touch football. We get a penalty. My boy, perfect strike into the top corner. We make another mistake. We gave Richards Bay 2 goals. Yeah, Richards Bay go score. Kwenika at the back, shaky. Something happens, results in a corner. They score from that corner. But nonetheless, well done to the coach and to the boys for fighting back. Coach made good subs. Velabai comes on, gets an assist. We score 2-2. We finish the game. But, man. I might just say, Abrams, very good. Hey, the little cameo gave us very good. Crossing of the ball, very, very good. But I wonder why we went to the back five again against Richards Bay. Should have just went to the traditional back four, Richards Bay, and pack up the midfield and dominate them there. Because, like I say, there was no football from Richards Bay. Tum, hey, flicker. But nonetheless, we didn't win. We take a positive from the game, a draw, on to the next match. Hey, but even this one we should have won, man. Hey, Mala Richards Bay as well. Hey, what's his name? Ronnie Gabriel. Draw specialist, that guy. Draw specialists.
Adlalile la mavuguvugu ase-South Africa. Ibhakaniya lisengunumber 1. Noma sewedlalile la mavuguvugu akwenzeki umehluko. Kanti ke ndivonela i-Sundowns. Ananto endizayithetha ne-Chiefs ngoku because badlala i-draw. Ananto endifuna uyithetha nabo. Yo. Hello sisi. Colubuza se-office zamamelodi Sundowns ezo? Oh, okay, good. Yes, Mutumelo Trom. Speak person, sawalandeli be-Orlando Pirates, the president wabalandeli bebhola. I-Afrika yonke jikelele. Every Africa. Yo. Dithunywa ngabalandeli be-Orlando Pirates sisuba sizobulela. Sibulela ntoni? Sibulela lento uba noba nidlale na wina nge5 goals. I5 goals yenu ayenzi mehluko. Sisahleli thina singunumber 1 because nina nisebenzisana kahle nathi. Niyakora ngapha, niyavulela ngapha. Niyaconsider ngapha. So abantu abangazi understand into ze goal difference nentoni. Abaziyazi bakutheni nikore 5 goals kodwa still nise anikathathi number 1 nangoku. So nibamba apho. Usekhona? Utrofile. Yo. We are very excited. Nibamba apho bafana bam. Nikore ngapha, nivulele ngapha. Enzela uba ibhakaniya lihlale lingunumber 1.
This is the best league game I have seen so far. Kulama games esengwabonile this season. We are on match day number 4 for most teams, and I think it's gonna be all teams after tonight. Yeah, I think after tonight all teams will have played 4 games, and this one that I've just watched is the best league game I've seen, both by Mamelodi Sundowns and Amazulu, and also overall. It was a masterclass in the MTN 8, but this one just has to take the cup for me. What a response by the African champions after suffering a defeat in the MTN 8 this weekend. This is how you respond as African champions. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Amazulu 2. Sanbona, I hope uyaphila usolwazi igama. Le masterclass eqeda ukudropa uTashrik Matthews, it cannot go unnoticed. Unfortunately, it cannot go unnoticed. And for me, like, I will always maintain he is one of the most technically gifted wingers. And what I've come to accept and realize about him is that he's not a finisher of our chances. He's the orchestra of our chances. If you are a striker like Brian Leon, you get to benefit from the type of winger that Tashrik Matthews is, right? I've accepted Uguti. He will miss our chances, but he will also orchestrate them like it happened in this game. If he finishes those chances that he got in this game, Mamelodi Sundowns probably scores more than 5 goals in this game. Not only him. Nozwane got some chances when he came on the game. He also missed some chances. This is a game that could have ended in more goals than just 5 for Mamelodi Sundowns. I could say the same for Umangete. And yeah, my heart goes out for Umangete because he is one of the youngest squads in the country and talented as well. A well-coached team, well-oiled machine. He was just unfortunate to say uhlangene neMbila eThutha because now he was meeting an angry Mamelodi Sundowns that wanted to prove a point after suffering a defeat. An absolute masterclass. Mamelodi Sundowns played with so much authority in this game, and this is what I'm always looking for. Kuma games as Sundowns, would he play with authority even after scoring a goal, chase after another one? You are the African champions. You can, play with ama departments. Ako musukuvumela ama defenders in ama center backs in ama midfielders. You have more touches than ama attackers. Use ama departments wonke in the game as much as you can, and let Diamond Mamelodi Sundowns isazowabulala ama team ku PSL nge Diamond, because Diamond yabo allows for them to have superiority in numbers. You see ama players like Basadin playing more like ama midfielders, and what Williams was doing namhlanje was just showing ukuthi he's a center back. Ama interceptions, it's unfortunate ukuthi so far in the season he's been conceding almost every game, but the importance yakhe as that sweeper coach was showing in this game, especially in times of ama counter attacks from AmaZulu. When it comes to AmaZulu, it's unfortunate that Ama players like Kozikali and Omdaga, who are the core for the current team of Mamelodi Sundowns of AmaZulu, were really not showing up in the first half. I understand the frustration Yazwane in making those substitutions even before halftime, because I feel like had Ulokuza or Zikali had better control in the middle, and Umdaga used Ama chances, because AmaZulu wanted to break with Ama fullback and more especially on the left. So Umdaga was overused in the minutes that he played. But unfortunately, the accuracy of his passes and also Ama crosses, I feel like when the Leopards AmaZulu in this game. When it comes to Uthando Ngwenya, what a quality striker. Doesn't get a lot of chances, but the few that he gets, he makes sure that he finishes off. Masterclass for me, Teboho Mokoena remains the pillar of Mamelodi Sundowns and also South African national team. This is how you respond as the African champions. Happy for Brian Leon when he plays with Ama forwards that understand that it doesn't have to score the same way every game. He has different variations to his game. And in this game, namhlanje kubonakalile lokho, because he played with people that cared or about involving him in the game, not only to play, but also in the moments where a goal needs to come with him, and he was involved with Glauma goal. Tashrik Matthews, you have my heart. B. Mokoena, I'm happy that Uwazi Lukori Igoli has been magnificent in the past few games. Let me know what you thought about this game. Sorry to Bangete, you just met a different beast. That's what happened in this game, because it was an open game for the most part. Of course, there were moments where they wanted to absorb the pressure, especially in the first half. But for the most part, I think Umangete really just wanted to come out and play. He just met any beast in the Mamelodi Sundowns. Let me know what you thought about this game.
What is wrong with Peterson, guys? No, we need to discuss it, because I thought I could ignore the mistakes in the first game. Then it happens in the second game. Then we saw the ridiculousness in this game, because guys, we played well enough to walk away from this game with a win. We could have won. That mistake was so unnecessary. What is wrong with Peterson? What is wrong with Peterson? This is not the same Peterson that I was vouching for to go represent South Africa for the FIFA World Cup. It's not the same player. And let's be honest, guys, the Peterson that we saw last season was very good, which is why we wanted him to have a chance to go to the World Cup. So now don't come use these mistakes that you're seeing in the past few games in this season and say, why did Kaizer Chiefs fans even want to vouch for him to go to the World Cup? Look at him now. No. That Peterson was good. This Peterson is not good. This Peterson is error prone. This Peterson is back to default settings. Back to the old Peterson that we thought was done and dusted. No, because in that first half I was looking at the football we were playing and I'm just like, this is going to be a win. This is going to be a win. I saw the lineup. I had a few questions, but I looked at the football. I looked at the tactics and I said, no, this is going to be a win. Classic Kaizer Chiefs. The individual errors. We can't keep ignoring mistakes for 3 games. That's too many mistakes. That is too many mistakes, and it's mistakes that are costing us points. Kaizer Chiefs attackers and not burying their chances. Did you guys see those beautiful crosses that Abrahams was dishing out? He was dishing out crosses. Abrahams was actually robbed of 2 genuine assists in this game. 2 genuine and beautiful assists. He was robbed because we don't have clinical finishers. As I wish I could talk more about this game, but that Peterson mistake alone just really ruined my night.
Okay, bafethu, and that's it for video namhlanje. It seems like Peterson made a lot of Kaizer Chiefs fans mad because ngale mistake, and mfethu cha mistake, to be honest, mfethu, I mean, come on Peterson, bruh. Come on, bruh. Laphana mfethu, like you can't keep making a mistake again and again and again. Ama-match alandelana. I was keeping ama-game awu-5 nyana. Ama-game alandelana. Isizini since iqalile bra, uPeterson has been making ama-mistake and costing i-Chiefs. So i-crash out impact is very very valid, and all I can say ukuthi Chiefs really did deserve 3 points. Namhlanje genuinely I thought Chiefs was going to win, but at the same time I'm happy with badrawile mfethu. I can't have Chiefs bahle nathi lapha number 1, and bengizokwenza ivideo ye-Sundowns because it's cool, people are talking about it, but angiyibukanga, and there are not many people talking about it. They're talking about the Chiefs. So here's the video ye-Chiefs mfethu, and yabona mfethu with people are not happy with the results and the performance ka-Peterson. But into engingayisho mfethu ukuthi this season uNdlovu has been wow. But this season mfethu uNdlovu mfethu uyadlala. Le nto leyo ukuthi iyalimaza abadlali and stuff like that mfethu ayisekho. Right now he's playing la position la mfethu, like he has something to prove, and shout out to him dog. I've always been a fan of uNdlovu ever since mfethu edlala kuma-Respect. Then he came to Pirates, I was a fan of him. Via, I was still a fan. Ushintshe nje bit last year, I was like, why is this guy so rough? Mekadlala because angiyazi le nto wayidlala last season, but this season shout out to mfethu Mjida mfethu udlala kahle, and I wish speedy recovery to Uphili. We need that winger which is Chiefs again, bruh. I mean, come on. Uphili like brought a spark lapha we take Chiefs, and not saying namhlanje yatheka was bad, but I feel like if Uphili was there, I would bakora amagoli amaningi. So that's all I can say about the game namhlanje lapha. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't skip on my ads, comment, subscribe, and ngizonibona ngegame enzayo bafethu. Thank you for tuning in.